Today we're going to get the Corvette jacked up off the ground, and then we're going to get to work on that tranny filter and gasket replacement. So we're going to do this. I'm going to loosen them all around here first. At this point, all I wanted to do was get the front of the pan to dip down so that it would start draining, because if I tried to take the pan down all at once, I would have had transmission fluid all over the floor. As you can see here, I'm taking down the last of the bolts around the pan, and the front of the pan keeps dropping lower and lower. And that's what I wanted, because I didn't want transmission fluid all over my garage floor. What we can see here is either some gasket was left all around, and that's what was probably causing some of the leak. Right through there. So let's clean this up. The magnet had a bunch of crap on it. So I'm going to finish cleaning it up, and then we'll get this thing back in after we change out the filter. So when we pulled the filter out, the gasket that sits right here didn't come out. So we got to fish that out. And it's right in here. We don't want to scratch anything as we pull this out. So this is the gasket that's on the end of the transmission filter, and it has a metal band in it. And it took forever to get that out. No damage. Awesome. That is like fantastic. Don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. All right. Well, let's get the new one in. All the way in. Looking good. All right. So let's, this edge looks really good. Really clean. Not bad. Now we're going to get ready to put on the pan and the gasket. Cleaned it all up. I'm getting ready. Now we're going to remember that there's two different bolts at one section of this. All right, so let's get this guy going in. Put back in.
At this stage, I'm just hand tightening the bolts, and then I'm going to go through and just snug them down to the pan cover so that I can get ready to start torquing them.
Okay, now we're going to torque them down. So, each one of these is supposed to go down to 8 foot-pounds. Well, 96 inch-pounds, but the conversion for that is 8 foot-pounds. So, let's get it done.
For the first 2 passes around the transmission pan, I did every other bolt, and I didn't go all the way to the 8 pounds. I did a little bit on each one, and then I went through and did every other bolt, and then I did every other bolt again, and then I went down on pass 3 and 4, torquing them all down to 8 foot-pounds. So I basically staged tightening the bolts on the transmission pan.
Good deal. And that's it. They're all done. Now it's add some transmission fluid, take care of that transmission fluid, and clean up. Oh. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos when we post them, please click on that notification icon. It really does help. And again, have a great day and thank you for watching.